Which is good for Roma. She said she had very well.
There were 10, but she cleared them out.
Yeah. And it's a little hard now to get a super warm-up when all the horses in the arena, and she's saying she likes them to clear out. She behaved herself, though, really well. That's very nice.